Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make lemonade juice or drink, you know, to boost your immune system and for healthy benefits of vitamin C and antioxidants in, a lemonade juice. So this is how our lemonade looks like. Yes, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel and make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So you don't have to throw away your lemons after making your vitamin C brightening spot dark spots oil. So actually I made a brightening oil from lemons. So after peeling our lemons, we had to make an oil. I'll link that video in the description box below so that you can check it out. So this is how our lemons look like, after extracting the outer peels of our lemons and making the brightening oil for dark spots, high pigmentation and anti-wrinkle. Yes, make sure that you watch the video that I'm going to link in the description box below, so you don't have to throw away your lemons, after making your oil. Yes, so you can do two things out of the lemons. After making oil, you can make a lemonade juice. Yes, so this is how our lemons look like, after peeling the outer layer of the lemon. So this is what we are going to use to make our lemonade. Of course, there are quite a number of different recipes on a lemonade, but usually it consists of lemon juice and some sugar. So we are going to cut off some lemons into two, and then we are going to extract some juice. So of course, this is a simple remedy that you can actually make to boost your immune system. So regardless of lemonade extract recipes and sugar content, there are many universal health benefits that you can gain from drinking lemonade from lemon juice. So it's an excellent source of vitamin C in lemon juice and lemonade, and it's this fact that grows glues us, the essential lemon healthy benefits. So a single cup of lemonade has enough vitamin C to cover your daily requirements. So our body needs regular intake of vitamin to function effectively in the extreme case. A lack of vitamin C leads to scurvy, which is deadly. So vitamin C keeps our body cells healthy and allows them to do their job and replicate as needed. So because lemonade is full of vitamin C, so lemonade is refreshing. It is just refreshing to drink lemonade on a hot summer's days. That's because it's not only delicious, but it's cool and refreshing, but it's wonderfully hydrating. So lemonade is a source of energy. While there is always a talk of too much sugar, you can use sugar in moderation as needed. So I just use 1 gram of our sugar, and make sure that you put it on fire so that the sugar can dissolve. If you don't do this, you have residues of sugar in your final lemonade drink. So lemonade can provide these sugars of course, which our body can use as fuel to meet its daily needs. Lemonade is a great way to stay energized and keep your body sugar levels within an acceptable range. So lemonade will also boost the immune system. So we put it on fire. You don't have to let it sit on the fire for a longer time, for 15 minutes, and our sugar has dissolved. As you can see, there are no residues of sugar in there. So we are just giving it a simple stir there, and then we are going to add in our lemon juice. So actually our lemon juice is 5 grams of our lemon juice. So lemonade is a great boost of the immune system too. Not only does it provide us with our daily source of vitamin C, but the benefits of lemonade are seen in its antioxidizing, qualities. So lemons provide antioxidants, keeping us healthy and able to battle sickness. As a bonus, antioxidants also help keep our skin fresh. So now we are giving it a stir, and the juice is almost ready at this point. I'm super excited because this drink will actually not only refresh our body, but it will also help us, with keeping our skin healthy and, you know, help us to have good health. So we're just pouring our lemon juice into a jar. So of course, you can't see how it looks like in a jar because of the color of our jar. So we're just pouring it in a glass cup. So you can drink this juice on an empty stomach. Usually, like I love doing drinking it on an empty stomach, especially like in the morning. Yes, so that is how it looks like. Subscribe to our channel and comment in the section below if you have tried out, a lemonade drink. So that is how it looks like. I really appreciate you guys, for supporting my channel and for commenting. Like, I really love interacting. If you have any suggestion for this channel, you can kindly comment in the section below. So now our lemonade is ready at this point. That is how it looks like, and we are ready to drink it on an empty stomach. Yes, so make sure that you take it easy, drink in sips, don't be in a hurry. Make sure that you take your time, and enjoy your lemonade. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Yes, comment in the section below. Are you going to try out? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and see you in our next video.